So here's our potato harvest for 2015. Some pretty decent sized potatoes. A lot better than our previous harvest a couple years ago. I'll probably get rid of the green one, but looks good. Harvesting just as a big thunderstorm, big typhoon's gonna pass through Korea, so we're harvesting just as that's breaking out. I'll come show you. And the mountains right back here. So you might see a flash of lightning or the crack of thunder here. I'll go show you our indoor plot this year. Some of our green leafy vegetables, we've already uprooted a lot of them. A lot of them are bolting. So we're getting rid of those. We just planted some new hobak, squash, and cucumber in the back, and Jihei just harvested a bag.
Not even a half.
Not even half of our of the ripe tomatoes that we've got. Maybe you can see some red in there. I'll sneak it in there. There you go. So she'll grab the ripe ones. So we got those, and then 10 pepper plants. See if we can see some bigger peppers hanging here. Some started to turn and fell off. Missed those. We've got all our eggplant. Quite a few of them here. Holy cow. Any bugs?
No.
Good. I think that's the biggest one we've ever had. And then we got two. The first time we did it this year, we've got okra. Not really sure what to do with that, but we'll figure that out later. Our kale gets chewed up quite a bit. It's yeah, neat. You guys remember having that with Samgyeopsal and the meats in Korea. Some of the other folks working here. But this is what we came for today before the rainy season started. Pretty good. Nice. Oh. Some of our fertilizer, we got all the eggshells we grind up, crush, and coffee grounds mixed in there. Show me that bag again. Jeez. That's pretty good for a week. Nice. All right. Now we just got to figure out how to get home.